Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about how to fix MC Command Center not showing up in game. Solution 1. Check mod folder structure. Navigate to your mods folder located at text documents or electronic arts or the Sims 4 or mods. Ensure that the MCCC folder is structured correctly. The script file should be placed directly in the MCCC folder, not in a subfolder. For example, text mods, then MCCC, then MC command center.ts4 script. If the script file are nested appear, example mods, then MCCC, then subfolder, then MC command center.ts4 script, they will not load correctly. Solution 2. Delete cache files. Ensure that the Sims 4 is completely closed before proceeding. Access your computer's file, explore, navigate to the following path: text, documents, or electronic arts, or the Sims 4. Look for the following cache files in the Sims 4 folder: local thumb cache.package, any other files with cache in their names if applicable. Right click on the local thumb cache.package and any other cache files you want to delete. Remove, then select delete. Solution 3. Remove other mods and custom content. Open File Explorer and navigate to text documents or electronic arts or the Sims 4 or mods. Review the content of the mods folder. Look for specific folders or files associated with mods you wish to remove. Right click on the folder or file of the mod you want to remove and select delete. If you want to remove all mods and custom content, delete everything in the mods folder. Be cautious if you have content you want to keep. Solution 4. Enables mods in the game options. Launch The Sims 4, go to the main menu and select Game Options. Under the Other tab, ensure both Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods Allowed are checked. Apply the changes and restart the game. Solution 5. Repair the game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is completely closed before proceeding. Open the Origin client on your computer. Click on Games Library. In the Origin interface, right-click on the Sims 4 game icon in your library. From the drop-down menu, click on Repair Game. Solution 6. Uninstall and reinstall MCCC. Ensure The Sims 4 is completely closed before making any changes. Look for the MCCC folder. Within the mods folder, it may be named something like MC Command Center. Right-click the MCCC folder and select Delete to remove it from your game. Visit the official MCCC website or a trusted source to download the most recent version of the mod. Unzip the downloaded file. Ensure that the MCCC file are no more than one folder deep within your mods folder. Solution 7. Contact EA support. If none of the above solutions work, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Be ready to provide any required information about your account or issue to expand it the support process. I appreciate your attention. Thank you for watching.